Hi, how's your day? Mine could be better. I just got back from the gym and I got an email. I got a community strike. Yay! Thank you very much, YouTube. Hi, EEVblog 2. As you may know, our community guidelines describe which content we allow and don't allow on YouTube. Your video, How to Download YouTube Videos with Synology RAID, was flagged for review. Upon review, we've determined that it violates our guidelines. We've removed it from YouTube and assigned a community guidelines strike or temporary penalty to your account. Video content restrictions. We don't allow content that encourages illegal activities or incites users to violate YouTube's guidelines. The only depictions of such activities that we may allow need to be educational or documentary in nature and shouldn't be designed to help or encourage or to intimidate others to imitate them. When uploading a video, make sure to post as much information as possible in the title and description to help us and your viewers understand the primary purpose of the video. So I'm not sure if that actually relates. It kind of is related to the video in question we're talking about here. The impact of strikes. This is your first strike applied to my account. It is. I think it's my first ever strike. Yay me. We understand, felt left out up until now. We understand that users seldom intend to violate our policies. Very true. As if a professional YouTuber is going to go out of their way to deliberately try and violate YouTube's terms and conditions. That's why strikes don't last forever. This strike will expire in 3 months. We'll get to that. However, it's important to remember that additional strikes could prevent you from posting content to YouTube or even lead to your account being terminated. How you can respond, blah, blah, blah. I can appeal this process. Thank you very much. YouTube. This is the video in question. I won't play it, but you can see from the title, How to Download YouTube Videos with Synology RAID. And sure enough, okay, fair enough, YouTube, I admit it, I did a video showing you how to download YouTube videos with a Synology RAID on my second channel, which technically, as mentioned there, does, you know, the kind of depictions, encourages illegal activity. Okay, it may, but I was just showing a neat trick for other YouTubers like myself. Like I say, in the first, literally within the first 15 seconds of the video, I say, being a professional YouTuber, I'm paraphrasing, I need to download YouTube videos for fair use purposes, for the purposes of review and critique and debunking and all the rest of it, right? That's one of my things I do as a YouTuber. So, like, sometimes, like, you just need to do this, and I just showed a neat way for other YouTubers to potentially do this. So, you know, okay, I can understand the strike. Fair enough. But the problem is that now that I've got a strike on my channel, here it is. Let's have a look at EEVblog 2, partner verified. You know, you'd think I'd be, you know, reasonably important to them that I'm a verified partner, but hey, you know, I'm only the, well, EEVblog 2 is like the, I don't know, the 1 millionth channel in the world or something. My main channel is like ranked like 15,000th in the world or something like that. So yeah, I'm a nobody. Anyway, here it is. Community strike. And what has been disabled on my account? I can do everything but live stream. I cannot live stream. I can do everything else except live stream. What does that mean? Well, I'm about to move my lab. I was going to live stream moving my lab, packing it up and everything. I was going to interact with viewers to, you know, while I'm like packing up and moving into the new place. But now I can't live stream for 3 months. Okay, you might think, I just live stream on my main channel instead of EEVblog 2. Wah, 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 wah. Can't do that either. What happens if you receive a strike? If a strike is issued, blah, blah, blah. If you receive it, no, hang on. Where is it? No, sorry. Multiple strikes. First strike. Accounts with the community may be restricted from live streaming. I definitely was. If your account has been restricted from live streaming, you are prohibited from using another channel to live stream on YouTube. I'm completely shut down. I cannot live stream for the next 3 months. 3 months. Thank you very much, YouTube. Luckily, I'm not one of those YouTubers who make their money from make bulk of their income from super chats. Those live streamers who you hear about all the time get shut down because somebody either falsely reported them or whatever. Obviously, and this video's been here since March 28th. So I don't know, the algorithm just magically started searching again for, I don't know. I doubt anyone reported the video. I think it's just, the algorithm found it somehow. Anyway, fair enough. Like, I agree with getting possibly a strike for this, or like it should actually be a copyright strike, really, I guess, right? It's more like a copyright strike kind of thing, even though it's not, my content. Anyway, so I'm not sure if this is a boilerplate thing. We don't allow content that encourages illegal activities or incites users to violate YouTube's guidelines. So I don't know if that's been specified. Like it doesn't. It just says video content restrictions. Maybe they've inserted that as the reasoning why, something like that. And fair enough. But to shut down a channel's ability, like you said in your own email here, you said like most YouTubers don't. We understand users seldom intend to violate. I didn't intend to violate your policies. It's just that, I need to download YouTube videos for legal, fair use purposes. And I found a neat way to do it, and I shared it. Okay, fair enough. If it's not, if it encourages other people, that's fine. But why, why you have to get a live stream, disable live streaming for something like this? What is so special about live streaming that you have to disable? You have to remove that ability from somebody who's been on YouTube for what? How long have I been doing this? I've been doing it full time for like 7.5 years or something. Almost, I'm about 10 years in April, I think. And like you've taken away my ability to live stream on any of my channels for 3 months. If I live stream at all in the next 3 months, if this is upheld, I will of course appeal. I can appeal the decision here, and I will. And like, if you found a video like this that like encourages other people, okay, give me a copyright strike or something. Simply remove the video. Why you get why a community, or even give me a community guideline strike? Why that has to disable live streaming is just unbelievable. Like, it's just, I don't know, maybe if you want to punish a YouTuber, maybe disable their ability to do custom thumbnails, perhaps. Something like that. I don't know. Like, it's just, I love it how Super Chat is still enabled. I can still do Super Chat, but I can't do live streaming. Like, unbelievable. Anyway, the policies. Let's have a look at the policies. Nudity or sexual content. Nope. Harmful or dangerous content. Nope. Hateful content. This is the link that they gave me in the email to look at the community guidelines to see if I violated it. Hateful content. Nope. Violent or graphic content. Nope. Harassment and cyberbullying. Nope. Spam, misleading metadata and scams. Nope. Threats. Nope. Privacy, nope. Impersonation, nope. Child safety, nope. So copyright is really the only one. And it's respect copyright, blah, blah, blah. This means you don't upload videos you didn't make, etc. Doesn't say anything about a tutorial on how to download YouTube videos. But as I said, like maybe it's in Learn More. I don't know. But as I said, like, fair enough. Oh, they got I remember the vertical video. That's all I remember about those guys. That was hilarious. Blah, 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 all that sort of stuff. Anyway, thank you very much, YouTube, for the disabling live stream on all of my channels. Now I can't live stream my lab move. And they do say that under some circumstances, if you appeal it, we may remove the strike. Yeah, thanks a lot. Just like, why not you just give us the ability to go, look, oops, sorry. I'll remove the video. No problem. I didn't intend to, violate your guidelines or whatever. Because a lot of the time, as you said, we don't intend to violate the policies. It was a completely innocent video. But now I can understand, with hindsight, maybe, why you'd want me to take down that video. And fair enough. If you asked me to, I would have. Or if you simply deleted it, I would have went, no, yeah, fair enough. But unbelievable. So I've got a live strike. Cannot live stream. So sorry, you're not going to be able to, I'm not going to be able to interact with my audience during the tear down the lab unless I can find some other avenue. Is that against community guidelines? Using some other platform to live stream instead of YouTube? Hopefully not. Anyway, unbelievable. Catch you next time.